Hello, and welcome to this episode of encouragement for you today. In this episode, I will mainly focus on making peace your own priority. There are so many things that are fighting for your peace, so many distractions that will want to call forth for your peace. But you can decide to either let them distract you and take your peace away, or you can choose to guard your peace. They say you cannot prevent a bird from flying over your head, but you can prevent it from making a nest on your head. When you wake up in the morning and there is something that maybe comes along and wants in one way or the other to interfere with your peace, you can choose to ignore, and in that way you are deciding to not let that bird to nest on your head. Or you can choose to pursue it, and that's going to give you a bad mood, it's going to give you a bad day, and it's going to take your peace away. You know what? We live in a world where kind of everybody is racing after you, after your peace, after the peace of your mind. But I'm here to encourage you today to make it your priority, to prioritize your peace, and to tell yourself, no matter what is going on around me, no matter the situation around me, I do not want the things happening on my outside to get on the inside and to end up interfering with the peace within. When you wake up today or tomorrow, when you hit the ground, make it intentional and be purposeful about it. Tell yourself, today as I walk, or when I'm driving and somebody does something silly, I'll smile at it and assume it and ignore it and move on, because I am prioritizing my peace. That annoying neighbor or whatever is not worth your peace. Choose to let go of that and look at the inner peace and work and prioritize and ensuring that nothing comes close to destroying that peace. Until next time, I hope this encourages you, and no matter what, always remember, do not allow the bird to nest on your head by taking away your peace, but always be the keeper and the guard of your own peace.